What's up, fellas? This is your boy Atavex from Port Rich. What other thing to get this Christmas than the ultimate Christmas toy? Because this is a toy. This is a Red Ryder 75 anniversary edition cowboy lever action rifle. Ralphie, you'll shoot your eye out. I would say an air gunner is not an air gunner if they don't own this historic BB rifle. It's freaking pretty. Look at, I didn't want to take it out, but I said, you know what? I'm going to take it out the box. I was going to just keep it there until my son got bigger and gave it to him. It says real pretty. It says Red Ryder is signed 75th anniversary on the stock, which is wood. Pretty. It says it on the forearm right there. And it has a bronze barrel band. 650 BBs in the reservoir. It shoots a 350. Lever action. It's a small gun. It's for kids. But I wanted it to have it in my collection when my son gets older. I have a baby. He's 4. I'll give it to him. Shoot around. I also have a Marlin Cowboy. Play with both of those while Daddy plays with his big toys. Comes in this nice bright box. Red Ryder. I'm so happy I got this rifle. Why? Because I'm an air gunner. And I freaking love the movie A Christmas Story. I love that movie. I just wanted you guys to see this edition, this add to my collection. Atavex from Puerto Rico. I got it today. It's November the 21st. I got it today in the mail. I got my BB. I got my Red Ryder carbine. You know what I wish? I wish these guns came with the compass in the stock. Like the one Ralphie wanted. Yeah? That would be great. A lot of people, a lot of older guys complain about little details on these rifles. And this is a kid's toy. I just wanted to have it for my collection. Probably get another one and keep this one for, because this is a 75th anniversary edition. Keep this one nice and stored, always oiled up, and just buy another one for my son. So I wanted you guys to see this. This is your boy Atavex with his A Christmas Story BB gun. You shoot your eye out, you shoot your eye out. You guys have a nice Thanksgiving. Have an awesome Thanksgiving, guys. Hope you guys take care. I got a couple of toys in the mail with this. I bought a couple of bipods and an Air Force from Dovetail to Weaver mount for a bipod, and I got some targets. I bought a stand for target practice. Bought a couple of things that came in with this rifle, but I wanted this rifle because I couldn't let this Christmas go by and not have it, because this is a 75th anniversary edition. From 1940, baby, to the present, 2014. You guys have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Your boy Atavex from Port Rich, Puerto Rico, signing off.